Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use the new e-learning platform LearnSmart, as it is the first time we are going to use. So these are the very important things that we need right now. So those points only I'm going to cover in this lecture. So how to log in learnsmart.utas.edu.com in this website, then how to create a course, how to enroll students in a course, and how to upload any material in a course. So after that, in the next video, I will cover how to create quizzes and how to download the grades and other things I will cover. So let us start. So you open this URL https learnsmart.utas.edu.com. So once you open this, you will reach here in this screen. So first thing is login. So click login and then admin login. So in admin login, you use your email and then password is your computer login password. Once you have done login, you will reach in this screen and you can see your name here. Then go to courses. When you will hover on courses, you can see if you have already created courses, then it will come here. Otherwise, this list will be blank. So in course, you go to add course, and there are two options, a course template and course. So you will create course. Individual course is better at the moment. Actually, there is an option for creating a single course, for example, for basic math, and we can create child of that course, but I found some difficulty in that. But anyway, for the time being, all the teachers can create their individual course. It is just a matter of a minute and they can individually handle their courses. So click course and add here, for example, say STAT 4130, and name of the course is probability and statistics. Now specialization math, there is no other specialization option, so math is there, and style is blended. I don't know others, you can select and explore, but as per the e-learning coordinator, he said blended is the best option here. And okay, starting and ending, say for example keep it up to January say 31st, keep it open the course and then save. So once you save, you can see your course is created here. We can see our first how to log in, then how to create course we have done, how to enroll students in a course, and how to upload any material in a course. So go to students, you can see here student. So there are three methods of enrollment. So the first method we will use. Third method, it is very difficult because administrator cannot use bulk enrollment. Bulk enrollment option right now it is not available for teacher. So they are trying to make it available, but at this moment we have to use this code method. Okay, the first option, we will invite all the students and we will share this code to them. They will use this code to log in. So remember this code, we need to share this code with the students. So add, there are three methods, course tab and people picker. People picker is a option but difficult here. We can see if we use people picker, it will list all the students name. For example, names are there, like ID is not there. Now if you call any student, say for example Amar, there are so many Amars, so it is difficult to identify which one is the correct one because ID is not there. So this picker method will not help much. It will help only if you want to enroll any teacher in a course, because teachers are number of teachers, I mean repetition of the names are very rarely or less. So in that case, teachers, if you can use this using picker. Otherwise for student, it is not much useful. So you go to add again and use the email invitation. So in email invitation, you see, first you have to select how many students in your section. So for example, I will just, for demonstration, I will choose 2. You maybe there are 30 or 35 students in your section, so you will choose 35. For me, for the demonstration, I will just show you, for example, I have 2 students, so I will select 2 and continue. So this list will come, and this is the very tedious work. You have to use here their email ID. For example, 72S 12345, it is just a dummy, @utas.edu.com. So this work you can do from Excel file downloaded from CIMS. You make the email there and you can copy and paste here all the emails. Say another one, a 72J 123456 @utas.edu.com, and then click send. Once you click send, these 2 star is not mandatory fields, okay, you can give their names or no need. Once you click the send, then the student will receive this invitation and you share them the code they should use for login and they can log in it. So you send it right now, this it will come to you like this, okay, and anytime you can cancel it, this invitation. Similarly, if you want to enroll any teacher, so click teacher and say, for example, right now in this course only I am the creator, so I am here as a teacher. So add, go to add. You can use here people picker. For example, if you want to add someone, say I want to add Miss Varda, so you just search, so Miss Varda, you can see here it will come, and you select this, move it to the right side, click in this one, it will move to the right side, and then you select and add. So now Miss Varda also added as a teacher in this course. Now if you do not want, suppose the purpose of adding this teacher is done, you want to remove, so again just select it and remove. You can click remove, it will ask okay, yes, so Miss Varda removed here. So this is the way we can enroll teachers in the course. Now next I will go for how to upload materials. So courses, go inside course, this is the course I have selected. I have created this one in the course I have created, and now it is time to upload the material, okay. So now add, so when you will click add new lesson, so here options are, you can create it as in the model like week 1, week 2, week 3, like this content if you want you can make, or otherwise say for example common items, say course material, okay, so you can make course material 1 lesson here, course materials, and then you star is not mandatory, okay, so you can write some description of the course, and the other items, or by default you can keep it as a blank and save. Now course material, so add inside add section you can choose any one of the option. Either if you want to create a page you can select first option, but all the materials for us it is like a say it is PDF, so we will select file. So now it is time to drop a file. So choose the item. Say I have saved my items in desktop. So from here you choose course material 1, whatever you have course material, and you can give a name. Say this is the description you can give, or it's personal or organization or university. So if you give university then everyone will see, and organization I think inside the organization everyone can see, so better keep it personal. Personal means every people in this group only can see. So save. So this is the material, it is uploaded. Now if you have another material, so you can add another section and same method, say another file. So select that or drag and drop you can do. Course material 2, say this also probability and statistics, some different name, or course material 2, whatever you can give, and then it will add. So any word file also you can upload, and then PDF, whatever you can. If you want to add any image, that also possible. And then when all the students are enrolled in this course, so they can see this and they can download. So once it is done, all the materials you have uploaded, then you can go to the course again. Okay, so this is our course material. There one of the lessons we have created, and there are 2 sections inside that. So this is the way we can, if we go inside, you will reach to the same place where we were. And you can make it hide here, okay, or you can make it open. This all you can explore it. If you want to delete, same, you can select the lesson and you can click delete, it will delete. Okay, so for the time being we can use this, and we can start our e-learning platform for the use. And if any issues comes, inshallah I will try, because I am also new, I am also exploring. So hopefully further features I will explore and share with you. Thank you so much.